what's up? This is Prachi, and today's video I'm going to talk about how I shave my face using a razor. Now, this is something which I've been doing for 2 years. So there are a lot of tips and tricks and hacks that I've developed along the way, some mistakes also that I used to make. But before I get there, a very important question. Does using a razor make your hair thick? No. The thickness of your hair depends on hormones, on your genetics. However, your hair will look thick when you are using a razor. Why? Let me just explain the science of this a little bit. Sorry, did that make a little sound? Sorry about that. Okay, so here's basically how your hair is designed. Okay, imagine this is your hair. You'll realize that when you have been waxing and all, the hair tends to be very thick at the bottom, and at the top it's tapering, it's thinner, right? This is how your hair is naturally shaped. Now when you're waxing and all, you're uprooting the hair, so the hair comes back right in its original form. However, when we're using a razor, you're basically cutting the hair, say from here. So when the hair comes back, it's actually shooting from this point onwards. It's not growing like this. It's actually growing from here, shooting onwards. So the hair actually looks thick, but it's not thick, because the next time you wax your hair, the hair will come back in its original form, in its original shape, tapering and thin at the top. So you don't have to worry about it. And honestly, once in a while, I think using a razor is really good. I mean, apart from the fact that, using a razor is quick, it's easy, it's painless, it's also something which helps in cleaning up your skin, removing the dead skin cells. So your makeup sits better, your skin looks more fresh. Like I said, I have been using razors for the last 2 years, and there's definitely no going back for me. Another tip that I want to share with you all guys: when you're buying a razor, buy a razor which is sharp. Use a razor which is sharp. A lot of us think that using a blunt razor means that we'll be more safe. No, because a blunt razor will not be able to cut your hair in one go. Okay, so you have to keep going over the same area over and over again, which basically erodes your skin. There's a higher chance of getting a cut, and you'll not be able to understand the pressure. So the razor which I am currently using is from Carmesi. I'll put the link in the description box below, guys. This one box has 3 razors. There's a Carmesi facial razor for women. It's designed for eyebrows, upper lips, forehead, chin, sideburns, peach fuzz. Always put the cap back. Like, clean your razor and put the cap back, because you want it to be stain free. Although it's stainless steel, so you're kind of safe that way. And when you're buying a razor, another thing that I want to share with you all: look for something which gives you a good control. So what I really like about this one is that, do you see the shape? It has this curved shape, right? Most razors are almost straight. So what happens is that, when you're holding it like this, you're holding it here, but your pressure is actually depending on how much pressure you're applying through your fingers. Instead of the pressure applying at the grip, the pressure at your fingers, it just gives you a lot better control. I hope this is making sense. It's very important, guys, because this is something which I have learned after a lot of mistakes myself. It's just easier to be able to control your razor through a single finger than through your entire wrist. So don't go for a straight razor. This particular one, guys, this box of 3 razors cost rupees 299, and currently purple.com is having the I Heart Beauty sale. If you want to pause the video and check out all the offers, you can check it right here. You can use your coupon codes, like which I've just shared here. I'll put them in the description box below as well. You can save a lot of money. So what you need to do, obviously, when you're using a razor, first clean your face, use a face wash. I've just done that. And then if you want, you can use aloe vera gel, you can use face wash, you can use cream. So I'm just going to use a cream so you can actually see what I'm doing here, guys. I'll just okay, can you see it right now? Okay, so you'll be able to see this better. Okay, so now I'm saying okay a lot. So I'm done applying the cream, and I think you can see the shiny bit of the cream. Now what I'm going to do is I'm just going to remove the cap. Okay, this is already washed. If it's not washed, just wash it once. I've already washed it. And by the way, if you want, you can actually clean up the sideburns entirely. I like to do it that way, because styling it and all is really not my thing. At the salons, they're able to cut it like in a different way or remove it in a different way, but I just remove it entirely. Okay, so here's what you need to do. Now you can go in the downward direction like I am going. You can go in the upward direction also, but don't go like left, right, center, up, down, everywhere, because then the hair will come out all weird and awkward. Okay, so try to follow one direction only. You see how clean that is? Okay, let me pause the video here and let me show you how much hair has been picked up. So on my upper lips, I kind of want to go in this direction because I just find it easier to work with and also less chance of hurting myself. Another thing I want to share with you all guys, that when you're using a razor, so I used to believe that when you're using a razor, you use it slightly tilted. It's usually a much better idea to use it slightly tilted instead of using it like this, like straight. Use it tilted. But here's the thing, guys. You know that, see, your face is not a flat structure. So there are curves, there are lines. There are places where you will need to bend and twist and turn. So at times you may need to hold your razor straight, which is another reason why having a precision control is very important, because it just helps you move and glide naturally, in a smooth way. So that's just something that I want to share. I'm going to repeat the same process on this side. So I'm moving a little faster now because I've already shown you how it's actually done. See, if you want, you can also hold it like this, okay? Like, you don't always have to hold it like this, you can always hold it like this. You need to see where your comfort is. Your hands, your fingers will move automatically. So you just have to kind of just go with it. And wherever possible, stretch your skin by doing this. Like when you're going for threading, the same way. Now moving to the forehead, this part can get slightly tricky because you have all this hair. What I have learned, guys, is that it's okay to cut off this bit if you want to, quite honestly, because anyway is very small, and when it comes out, it's fine, like it's anyways a very small strand of hair. But don't go too in deep, don't end up cutting this hair, but the ones on the sides, it's fine, okay? And if you don't want to cut it, even that's okay. So it's all right as long as you have control over your razor and you don't cut yourself. So I'm going to start with this area between my eyebrows. Now I don't have a lot of hair right now, but usually here's how I do it. Okay, I start with the bottom, I go up till my eyebrows, and then I move to the sides like this. And for the forehead, try to go from this, from up to down towards your eyebrows, but don't go too close. So I'm holding it tilted. Can you see that? So that's precisely how you do it. Obviously, after using a razor, wash your face very well, wipe your face really well, and then always use a light hydrating, preferably a gel based moisturizer, because it will just help in plumping up your skin. Actually, your beauty products also work much better after you're done using a razor, because your dead skin cells are gone, your skin is cleaner, so it can penetrate deeper. Honestly, using a razor on the skin, on your face especially, is so underrated. I know a lot of women who don't do it, but seriously, it's a very good part of your skincare routine if you start seeing it that way. Very, very effective. It's not just for removing your facial hair. It's really about also maintaining your skin, if you look at it, because it has so many benefits, like I just said, right? It removes dead skin cells, your makeup sits better, your beauty products work better, so why not? So guys, that's pretty much all of it, all that I wanted to share. Please keep in mind that, see, everybody has their own comfort and their own way of doing it. I'm just sharing with you what works for me. And overall, the most important thing is to be able to control your razor. So if you're doing it for the first time, just work on your cheeks, just work on this area, okay, and then move to this area like I did. This area, of course. Go to your forehead after one or two uses, because then you'll be able to control your razor better. For the Carmesi facial razor, I don't know if I mentioned this already or not. For the Carmesi facial razor which I was using today, I put the link in the description box below. So I have used a lot of razors in the market since I've been doing it for so long, right? Personally, I think this has been the best discovery. Like I used to say that, just use any brand, it doesn't matter, it's a razor. But it does matter, because like I just showed you, right, the shape, the design, the control, it has stainless steel, and it gives you precision control. It gives you a very nice, sharp, clean cut. So like you might have noticed, even over here with my sideburns where the hair is like quite thick, you don't have to go over the same area for more than one or two times. So yes guys, if you want to check out this newly launched facial razor by Carmesi, which is made of stainless steel, and love the zigzag blade pattern of this razor that allows it to glide so smoothly on the skin, it is currently available on the Purple website, where they are also having the I Heart Beauty sale running currently, where you can get flat 35% off plus another offer, which is buy two get additional 10% off. For elite members, it's buy two get additional 15% off instead. So yes, that's such a big deal. And if you use my coupon code CARM014, that's the coupon code, you get an extra 10% off on Carmesi products. So that is absolutely wonderful, guys. All these details will also be shared in the description box below. If you want to check it out, you can save lots of money. Just be smart about it. Use your coupon codes and pick up your things. And yeah, I'll see you guys next time. Thank you so much for watching, guys. If you have any questions still about how to use a razor at home on your face, let me know in the comment section below. I would love to help you out and get back to you guys. Till then, thanks for watching. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to this channel, turn the bell icon for notifications, guys, and keep coming back to Super Style for more. This is me, Prachi, signing off now. Bye bye.